Dear student, welcome back to Dr. Shrikant Pharmacy channel. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest pharmacy video. So today I came with the topic that is a non-renal of a drug excretion, non-renal route of a drug excretion. In earlier video I explained in detail the renal excretion of the drug. So apart from the renal excretion, so the drug and its metabolites also be excreted from the non-renal routes. So the drug or its metabolites size, if it is more than 500 Daltons are there, in such cases, so the other non-renal routes are there na, so that will be the responsibility for the excretion or eliminating from the internal to external environment. So let me discuss what are the non-renal routes of drug excretion. So the majorly the biliary excretion, which is next to the urinary excretion. Biliary excretion is very much important. Next is pulmonary excretion, salivary excretion, mammary excretion, skin or dermal excretion, GI excretion, genital excretion. These are the major organ which are responsibility for the excretion of the drug or its metabolites. We remember the majority of the drugs will be excreted from our body is only in the form of a drug or its metabolite. It must be in a ionized as well as the hydrophilic in nature. Okay, so in this class we planned in detail the one of the non-renal route of drug excretion. So that is a biliary excretion, and it's also called as an enterohepatic cycling of the drugs. So this is also the second most important the excretion organ in our body. So this bile juice is produced by liver. So liver is the main responsibility for the excretion of the biliary excretion of the drug. So bile juice is produced by the liver and it is stored in the gallbladder. So this is a liver. This is a liver and the bile juice will be stored in the gallbladder. So this bile juice is secreted in the duodenum for the digestion of the fats. So this is the duodenum where the bile juice is secreted with the help of a digestion of the fats, and the bile flow rate is 0.5 to 1 ml per minute. So that is the flow rate of the bile, and 90% of bile acids are reabsorbed from the intestine and transported back to the liver for the reabsorption. Because the process of reabsorption will be continuously, it will be processing in our body, so that the most important the substances such as B12, vitamin D3, folic acid, steroid hormones, bile salts are very much important for our body. So these are not excreted from our body, hence the reabsorption will be continuously takes place in our body to prevent the loss of these the vitamins as well as hormones and the bile salts. So hence the biliary excretion is a very much important comparing with the urinary excretion. So this is the scheme diagram how the process will be takes place. When you administered any oral administration, it goes to the small intestine, and from the small intestine, if the administered component is a polar and hydrophilic, it will be excreted through as a feces or the fecal matter or the stool or the elimination. So that is a simple process. If it is not hydrophilic or not polar, so again what happen, it is entering into the blood by the absorption, that is a hydrolysis of the conjugate and absorption and entering into the blood, and from this blood again it move on to the liver. In the liver, so where what happened, this drug molecule again if it is necessary for it will be entering into the distribution of the particular tissue, and if it is eligible for less than 300 Daltons are there, in such cases what happen, it will be removed from our body by urinary excretion also. And if it is still it is a hydrophobic or non-polar are there, again the process will be continuous. Okay, it will be recycled with the bile and biliary excretion, and if it is satisfied, it moves from the small intestine to the elimination process. If it is not, this cycle will be continuously, the process will be going on, reabsorption will be processing, so that the no loss of the substances such as the B12 or the D3 folic acid, which are most important for the our normal functioning of the body. So the process of cycling, so that is why it is called as the enterohepatic cycling of the drug. स्टूडेंट एक क्लास से हम लोग ये जानकारी ले रहे नॉन रीनल रूट्स ऑफ ड्रग एक्सक्रीशन, नॉन रीनल रूट ऑफ ड्रग एक्सक्रीशन। जैसे हम लोग समझाया है द रीनल एक्सक्रीशन इज अ मेजर ऑर्गन, सो नेक्स्ट टू रीनल एक्सक्रीशन व्हाट आर द नॉन रीनल मीन्स द बाइलर एक्सक्रीशन, पल्मोनरी एक्सक्रीशन, सलाइवरी एक्सक्रीशन, मेमोरी एक्सक्रीशन, स्किन, जीआई एक्सक्रीशन, जेनेटल एक्सक्रीशन, ये जो होता है ना अदर देन किडनी बोलते हैं ना, इसलिए इसको नॉन रीनल एक्सक्रीशन बोलते हैं। अमंग दैट वी आर डिस्कसिंग बाइलर एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ द ड्रग, एंटेरोहेपेटिक साइक्लिंग ऑफ द ड्रग। जैसे समझ लीजिए यूरिनरी एक्सक्रीशन कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, बाइलर एक्सक्रीशन इज नेक्स्ट फॉर दैट यूरिन एक्सक्रीशन। बाइल जूस जो प्रोड्यूस करता है लीवर, वो जो स्टोर हो जाता है गॉल ब्लैडर में हो जाता है। जो भी बाइल जूस सीक्रेटेड इन द डियोडेनम for the digestion of fat, so that will be entering into the gall bladder. The जो bile flow रहता है ना 0.5 to 1 ml per minute जो flow rate रहता है, 90% of bile acids are the reabsorbed and recycling in the process, hence avoiding the loss of the vitamin B12, D3 or folic acid or steroid hormone. So जिस तरह से हम लोग जो भी ओरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन लेते हैं, अगर वो completely metabolized polar hydrophilic is there, it will be eliminated as a feces or the fecal matter. If it is not, it is entering into blood, liver, again distribution into the tissue, and if it is satisfied, the size of the particle is less than 300 Dalton, eliminated as a urinary, or else ये cycle जो continuously होता रहता है, जब कम्प्लीटली हाइड्रोफिलिक आ जाता है ना वो हमारा बॉडी से बाहर आ जाता है। ये जो फिगर है ना, ये प्रोसेसिंग कैसा होता है बोल के हमने समझाया। जैसे डियोडेनम बाइल जूस प्रोड्यूस करता है ना, वो बाइलरी सिक्रीशन में जाता है, फिर वो गॉल ब्लैडर में स्टोर हो जाता है। ऐसे ये प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूसली हो जाता है जब तक रीअब्जॉर्प्शन कंप्लीटेड एंड कंप्लीटली फ्री फ्रॉम द इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन दैट कंपोनेंट। सो मैं समझता हूँ ये क्लास से आपको बहुत ही सरल से नॉन रीनल रूट ऑफ ड्रग एक्सक्रीशन में बाइलरी एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ ड्रग और एंटेरोहेपेटिक साइक्लिंग ऑफ द ड्रग कैसा होता है बोल के हमने इजी से समझाया। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।